How to change Instagram cover after posting. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the reel you want to change the cover of. Now, go ahead and tap on the three dots from the bottom right of your screen again and then tap on the Manage option you see there and then tap on the Edit option. Further, tap on the Cover option and you will now be able to change your cover. So, scroll through the reel and select the part that you want to add as your new cover. You can also add from your camera roll. Once you are done choosing your cover, tap on the Done button on the top right of your screen and then tap on Done again, and with this your cover will be changed. So this is how you can change Instagram cover after posting. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.